Question 17. The diagram shows a triangle with an acute angle marked as x. The area of the triangle is 2, 1, 4, 3. Work out the value of x. To find the value of x, we have to know the rule of the area of the triangle. The area of triangle equal half times the product of any two sides times sine the angle between them. Now the given is the area and the two sides. The missing is the angle, so we have to find the angle. The area is equal to 2143 equals half times 71 times 92.5 times sine theta. Then sine theta equal 2143 divided by half times 71 times 92.5. Okay, let's use calculator. Let's use calculator to find the answer. 2143 over half times 71 times 92.5 equal. Now we get this answer 8572 over 13135. To find the angle theta or x equal sine inverse answer. Sine inverse answer equal 40.74. Thank you.